Hi everyone, welcome to the Joto Happy tutorial. Let's learn the receiving skill, especially receive the ball from the right side and change direction. Before I start my explanation, I would like to say that I have a small problem in order to make this video. Actually, I need a AstroTurf ground, but under the lockdown, that is not going to happen. Actually, this video will be uh, uh, prepared on the hockey field, but under the lockdown, that is not going to happen. Anyway, receiving is most important skill in the field of hockey. The quality of receiving is fully depend on the quality of pass. If the pass is good, the receiving of ball will be. For this purpose, I have broken this skill into 5 parts to learn. Number 1, part 1 is grip. Grip shall be a basic as usual as left hand on the top of the stick. All the fingers are firm around the stick, inclusive thumb. Right hand just below the stick and right hand index finger will be along the stick. This hand grip will be loose when you turn your stick. Our next part is body position. Before I start this part, I would like to explain that the distance between both hands is 20 centimeter and body position, both feet pointing out into the forward direction. Ball will be received at the level of right foot or between the legs. Arms are relaxed and free from the body. When you receive the ball, left hand shall be in front of the right foot. Our next part is stick position. Stick, the angle of stick and ground is between the 30 and 40 degree, and stick, the blade of stick is little bit close. Next come to ball position. Ball will be received at the level of right foot or between the legs, and angle of stick and ground will be 90 degree. When you receive the ball, before receiving, have your stick low, eyes on the ball, and catch the ball with loose right hand and catch the ball with loose right hand. Please push the ball and let the ball roll into the stick and turn it to left and bring the ball in playing position and keep changing the direction. In this skill, one thing is more important. While you receive the ball, try to reduce the number of touches to control of the ball. I hope you like and subscribe this video. Good luck and stay